How to convert USDC to USDT on Binance. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your USDC to USDT on Binance. So let's get started. First of all, obviously, you need to open the Binance application, and once you do so, you will be redirected to the homepage. So what you need to do is simply search for the option of convert. So sometimes you'll be able to see the convert option appear here straightforward in front of you. But however, if you're not able to find it over here, you're going to simply click on your profile at the top left. And once you do so, you're going to click on more services. And once you're in more services, you're going to scroll down till you find the option of trade. And within the section of trade, you'll be able to see convert. So simply click on convert. And once you do so, you'll be taken over to the convert section, and here you'll be able to select the currency from which you wish to convert, and then you're going to select to which you wish to convert. In our case, we're converting USDC to USDT, so you're going to click on this over here, and then you're going to search for USDC. So simply type in USDC, click on it, and then you're going to select USDT over here. So simply type in USDT. And after that, you're going to select the amount, that how much of USDC you wish to convert into USDT. So you'll be able to see that the minimum amount is 0.01. So if you're having amount less than 0.01, you wouldn't be able to convert that. So just select the valid amount of USDC, and you can simply click on preview, and you'll also be able to see the exact amount of USDT. And then click on preview, and if you do have sufficient balance in your account, you're good to go, and you'll be able to easily convert your USDC to USDT. So that is basically how you can convert USDC to USDT on Binance. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.